It's Friday night. I'm writing an essay for my school. My teacher has asked me to write an essay on endangered species. This has been a really difficult job for me because it is hard to write about endangered species. My teacher has given me so much homework. I have come back.
Where have you been? What have you bought?
I went to a restaurant that has opened very recently and bought dinner for everyone.
Have you bought salad for me? You know I eat salad for dinner.
Yes, of course I have. Have you repaired the TV?
Yeah, I've repaired it. It's working fine and the screen is also clear.
Amazing. Have you studied for your test on Sunday?
No, I haven't studied yet, but I'm going to study after dinner.
Have you seen Jacob? I haven't seen him all day. He has the flu. He has slept all day. Oh, okay. Have you finished writing your essay? Yes, I have finished my essay and I have sent it to my teacher. I have also finished all my homework and I have checked my emails. That's great. Have you eaten dinner yet? Oh, right. I've forgotten about dinner. No, I haven't eaten yet. How about you? I have bought dinner for everyone. Come down and eat dinner. I have heard that you have gotten the flu. How are you?
I haven't done anything all day. This flu has put me in so much trouble.
Have you taken any medicine or talked to a doctor?
I haven't taken any medicine. I've had the flu before, but my body is strong. It has healed itself. But this time is different. I have rested all day and I still have a headache.
Then go to a doctor tomorrow and see if it's serious or not. Oh, and by the way, I have bought dinner from a new restaurant. Do you want me to bring it to your room?
No thanks. I join you downstairs. Guys, have you invited someone?
Yeah, I've told Ashley to come over tonight, so that she can also taste this new restaurant's food. Oh, I'm so happy you are here. I haven't seen you in forever.
Hi, come and sit. We've missed you so much.
Thank you for inviting me over. I've missed you too. I have brought you some cake for dessert. Hope you enjoy it.
Thank you so much, Ashley. What have you been up to recently?
Oh, he's right. We haven't seen you in a while now. What's up? I've done a lot of different things recently. I have traveled to China and I visited so many new places there. Have you ever traveled to China before? No, I haven't, but I have traveled to Japan once before. Guess what else, guys? I've learned to speak Chinese. I have always dreamt of speaking Chinese. That's awesome. We're really happy for you. So, tell me, what have you done recently?
Well, as for me, I've participated in a football game this week and our team has won.
That's wonderful, congrats. You have the best football skills I have ever seen. So you have finally decided to join a football team.
Yes, I have finally stopped postponing it and joined a football team.
How about you, Alex? I remember you wanted to start writing a book. Have you started it?
Yes, of course I have started it. I have already written 10 chapters. I love writing.
I have also finished writing an article about endangered species. Alex, could you please review it?
Yeah, absolutely. I can read it after dinner.
And I have started my cooking lessons. I really want to learn how to cook different foods. Absolutely amazing. Your dream has finally come true. What about you three? What are your dreams? My dream is to travel all around the world, especially Italy. Have you ever visited Italy? Yes, my parents are from Italy, so I have traveled there a couple of times. Wow, that's incredible. You have traveled a lot and you have seen so many different places. That's not true. I have only gone to Japan, China and Italy.
I've been to Egypt and I've seen the pyramids.
Wow, buddy. That's amazing.